Hi, I'm Matt. I work in developer relations at Mage, and this is our weekly feature callout series where I talk about tips, tricks, and cool functionality in Mage that we think can help take your pipelines to the next level. And today I'm going to talk about organization. So if I head to the pipelines overview page, this is where you can kind of see all of your pipelines at a glance, understand when they're running, when they were updated, etc. And we have a number of features that allow you to organize this page. So up top, we have the filter functionality. So if we click this, we can filter by status, tag, and type. And so we'll do an example filter here. Maybe we only want to see data integration pipelines. And boom, there you go. We get a very slimmed down view, and we're able to visualize what we have currently. Similarly, we can group pipelines. Currently, they're grouped by tag. So this is a pretty cool functionality. You can add tags to individual pipelines. You can have any number of tags, an arbitrary number on a pipeline. And so if we go into an example here and add a tag. So let's say, I think AWS things, yeah, we'll add an existing tag, save the settings and go back to the pipelines page. Then we see that flows through and our pipelines are grouped there, kind of organized a bit. But we can obviously also group by type, get a quick view of integration, standard pipelines, etc., or status. And so using the tagging, filtering, and grouping features, we can really organize pipelines we have. You know, every data engineer knows that pipelines get out of hand pretty quickly. So the ability to keep them under control, organize them is useful not just for you, but for your entire team as you start to expand, as you start to have more contributors to your data engineering projects. So this was Pipeline Organization in Mage. I'm Matt. Hope you have a great week, and I'll catch you later.